How long could you survive in space without a spacesuit? Many of us have dreamed of going into space. Perhaps you've imagined what it would be like to visit the International Space Station or even explore new worlds. But traveling in space brings a whole set of challenges and hostile environments, so it's vital to recreate the conditions on Earth that have allowed life to evolve and flourish. Spacesuits allow astronauts to venture outside their spacecraft for short periods, by providing the air, water, pressure and physical protection needed for a human to survive. But what would happen without one of these advanced suits? But here in the real world, how long could a person survive if thrust into the harsh vacuum of outer space? The short answer is, not very long. Within a very short time, a matter of 10 to 15 seconds, you will become unconscious because of a lack of oxygen. The oxygen starts expanding and rupturing your lungs, tearing them apart, and that would cause boiling and bubbling of your blood. Bodily fluids, such as saliva and tears, would begin to boil. A human body would also expand, but the skin would be elastic enough to cope with the pressure change, Demoy said, adding that horrific movie portrayals of exploding humans are not accurate. In the best case scenario, you have a few seconds before the oxygen in your bloodstream would be used up, causing you to pass out. Brain death would follow within minutes, unless you were rescued and brought back to the safety of the pressurized, oxygen-rich environment of the spacecraft and resuscitated. In addition to providing vital oxygen and pressurization, spacesuits also shield astronauts from other dangers and harm. There is a temperature problem and radiation and micrometeoroid threats. So spacesuits are designed to provide physical protection of the astronauts in outer space. Spacesuits also protect from various types of radiation. Prolonged or long-term exposure to electromagnetic radiation from the sun would cause health issues, including radiation sickness, and an increased risk of cancer. UV light would also burn the skin. Micrometeoroids and space debris pose another danger. Being in space without an EVA suit becomes very deadly very, very quickly.